It's one of those things. I wish I had Sora to help me out. I just wish definitely that there was more tech to help us make this film like 3-4 years back when we were in pre-production. Our film starts in the Mahabharata and it ends in 2898. That's the title of the film. It's called Kalki 2898 AD. So it spans that 6,000 year sort of distance in time. And so trying to create worlds that are there here, imagining what it could be like, and sort of still keeping it Indian and not make it look like a Blade Runner or a Tokyo Spice Punk was the challenge.
Are you going to reveal the secret of 2898? Why this mysterious figure?
If 6,000 years behind 2898 was comes to like 3102 BC, which is when they say the last avatar of Krishna passed. From the years of experience that they have, I don't know if you can train an AI model to be an Amitabh Bachchan with 80 years of experience behind him, with so much poetry from generations or everything. So I don't know if that model can do what Bachchan Saab can do on set on a particular day.